Hey, what's up guys? This is Jack and Matt right there behind the camera with Toasty DIY. And today, we're looking at something we got off of AliExpress about a month ago, and we finally got a 8 amp 12 volt DC power brick here. And so what this is this is basically just a, well, CPU fan heatsink. Just has dual fans on it, 120s. And then just this random, red and black DC power cable. And you're probably like, what's going on here? Well, right underneath of all that, we have this little brick basically, which is a thermoelectric cooler. And so what a thermoelectric cooler does, and I'm reading this off of Google Doc because I can't remember this, it uses the Peltier effect, which basically, in layman's terms, it's bringing the hotness from one side, putting it to the other, so it replaces it with coldness. And what I mean by that is very cold. Like, we just put this water in, and look at that, it's actually almost frozen at the top now. It just needs to freeze the top layer, but within about, I would say 15 seconds, this thing was chilled on the bottom. Like, touching it, like, you can't hold your finger there for more than a few seconds before it feels like you're touching dry ice or something.
So what's the actual practical reason for this? I mean, you could use it for some weird, like, extreme cooling things. I think the concept with this, like, cup design is that you actually put, like, a drink in there or something to keep it cold, but
Totally.
This thing gets really cold, and I wouldn't be surprised if you have something in there where it actually end up freezing it eventually. So, I mean, it's just kind of a cool little AliExpress purchase. We like to buy some random stuff like this when we buy PC parts, and this kind of caught our eye during a stream.
And now a serious question was, what would this do on a CPU, do you think? Like, some serious overclocking, like 5 gigahertz on like a 9590, would this work? Like, I don't really know what it would do.
Maybe. How would we even do that?
I mean, it's literally just mounted on the...
Oh, okay.
And this is legit a CPU cooler, you know what I mean?
Gotcha.
It's funny, the heat pipes aren't even hot, like, at all.
Weird. Huh.
Okay, you know what, the radiator's a little bit, like, slightly warm.
Yeah, huh. But yeah, we wanted to bring you all this quick DIY video showing off this weird little contraption. We may have some stuff coming to the channel soon where we actually use this thing to do some computer-related stuff. But yeah, I just want to show you all this. Hopefully you like this video.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
DIY, yay! Okay, a little update, video ended, but yeah, we kind of fried it.
Yeah, I think what happened was this barrel plug had about 8 amps probably going through it, maybe even more. We should have hooked it up to the watt meter. But yeah, check this out. It literally pulled the actual barrel plug out from it. I noticed it started smoking right after we ended the video. But hey, look where we got on the ice. We legit have, and I'm just gonna wash this cup out for you when we're done. But look, solid ice at the bottom within about, I'd say, 2 minutes of having this thing plugged in. So if we had a better barrel plug, this would probably be a lot cooler, but hey, it worked for a minute.